Hello friends, so my name is Ali Snan and in this video we will discuss a very important topic that why Pakistan cannot be conquered. So let's start the video. Historically we have seen many countries getting destroyed or getting invaded by other countries. But then we have certain countries which are just not gonna roll over for any reason, and one such a country is Pakistan. So you went at this well. Here I am here to tell you top 5 facts of why Pakistan can never be conquered. The terror, what makes Pakistan so difficult to capture is first and foremost terror. The geography of Pakistan is a profound blend of landscapes, vary from plains to deserts, forests, and hills, and army or any invader could just fade away into the mountains and lick their wounds until the next fight season came. All these factors make Pakistan a tough place to wage war from. Martial blood. Pakistani nation is divided into segments of various ethnics which have their own unique history. As fighters and warriors who are highly regarded in martial race by British Indian Army for winning them for many battles in the war. Number 3, nationalism. Did you are in invading army plan on fighting 200 million people who are armed to teeth and willing to fight and die for their country, because that is what is likely to happen while invading Pakistan. Pakistan was able to keep its culture and history relatively intact. Plus, there is a strong sense of nationalism, national unity, and identity amongst its population, which keeps them united against external threat. Whenever there is a war, citizens join its military to defend their country. From 1948 war, Pashtun tribes drove India's soldiers up from the parts of Kashmir, or in 1965 war, where thousands of Sindh citizens repelled India aggression against Sindh, which due to shortage of troops became extremely vulnerable. Nationalism has kept Pakistan united. An invader of Pakistan is not just facing the military but also 200 million people too. ISI and Pakistan military. Pakistan has the second largest battle hardened, best trained and best equipped army in the world, with hundreds of nuclear weapons. As far as invading Pakistan goes, the last time as invading army was on Pakistan borders. Pakistan border was during 2001 to 2002 Indian Pakistan military standoff. According to the Times of India report, standoff afflicted site due to artillery duels with the Pakistan 1814 to 1814 to 2467 Indian soldiers were killed, and India could not cross international border. Pakistan is one Islamic ideology. Pakistan is the only country that been created in the name of Islam, from which Pakistani draw their spiritual and national strength. Islam provides them then motivation to survive in toughest human conditions and convictions to fight the enemies even if they are more powerful, so that all form republic opposite. Leave us comment and let us know your feedback, and don't forget to subscribe.